Good morning, first grade. So today is Tuesday, March 31st, and yesterday we talked about a new trigraph, DGE. And remember, DGE says J like bridge. So when we review this, I want you to be able to say trigraph, DGE, J like bridge. All right, you go ahead and try that. So let's go and do this whole page together. So we'll say trigraph DGE, J like bridge. Trigraph TCH, ch like patch. Trigraph IGH, I like light. Good job. Remember, each day I want you to kind of go through your packet, pick a few, or maybe you want to do the whole thing, and review those sounds. That way you are familiar. So whenever you're writing or you're reading, you can remember what those sounds are because you've got them fresh in your mind from doing phonics with them. All right. So yesterday we learned about the new trigraph DGE, and we also brought back the trigraph TCH, and then we talked about the rule of when to use those and when not to use those. So let's review the TCH sounds first. You should have the paper that looks like this, that says the final ch spelling rules. And it says TCH after a short vowel. So when I hear a short vowel, I will put TCH. And then CH after anything else. So if there's any other letter or something that's not a short vowel, we'll use the CH. And on the other side, you should have your final J spelling rules. And so this is going to help us to figure out when we're going to use DGE or if it's just a GE. And remember that those G's that say J like a J, those are just the soft G sounds. So to help remind us, we know that it is DGE after a short vowel and GE after anything else. And so it helps remind me whenever I'm doing my work that the trigraphs DGE and trigraph TCH, whenever I hear those, I remember that after a short vowel, I will add the trigraph. So both trigraphs are after the short vowels. All right? So on your paper, lesson 118, that looks like this. Okay? We are going to practice today using those trigraphs and when not to use a trigraph to spell words, even though they sound the same. So I'm going to do the first few with you on the board, and then I want you to try them by yourself. All right? So let's do the first one together. So first let's do our J sounds. So I'm either going to be using DGE or GE. Remember, in your head, I want you to keep remembering DGE after a short vowel, GE after anything else. So the first word that I have, I've got K-A-J, cage. Now I have to figure out, am I going to add a DGE or a GE? So let's go back to our rule and remember, DGE after a short vowel, GE after anything else. So here I can tell that I have a long vowel, so I have to add GE for the word cage. All right, the next word, bridge, bridge. I notice that I have a short vowel, so I know I'm going to add my DGE. This is how I would spell the word bridge. Let's do the next one. Huge, huge. Is that going to be a GE or a DGE? Hopefully you said GE, because remember we only use DGE trigraph after a short vowel, and this is a long vowel, so I'm going to add GE. Nudge, nudge. Oh, I noticed that it's a short vowel, and I remember my rule, DGE after short vowel. So I'm going to add DGE. And then this one is gorge. Oh, I see a combination OR. But I only use DGE after a short vowel, so I have to add GE, gorge. All right? You can go ahead and pause this video and finish the rest 6 through 10 of your J sounds to figure out which ones that you use are using DGE or GE. And when you're done, go ahead and push play And then let's go ahead and get started with the CH. All right. So, on the other side, numbers 11 through 15, we're going to do the ch sounds. Let's review one more time. So my trigraph TCH, I add that after a short vowel. CH after anything else. So let's go ahead and do that. So here I have a vowel digraph, each, each. So I don't have a short vowel. I have to add my CH for the word each. All right. Atch, thatch. Oh, I have a short vowel, so I can add TCH. Itch, switch. I have a short vowel. I can add my TCH. Ouch, pouch. I do see a combination, but in our rule, remember it's TCH after a short vowel, and then CH after anything else. So I have to add my CH. And the last one is scratch, scratch. I notice I have a short vowel, so I'm going to add my TCH. So hopefully this kind of got you warmed up and ready to go. I want you to go ahead and finish the rest of them on the first page with your ch sounds. And then on the back, go ahead and try all of those and read the rules. And up top is our rules to help you finish the rest of the paper. All right. Then for today, you should have your lesson activity sheet that looks like this. If you don't remember, remember for this paper is when we put them in alphabetical order. So just number them, 1 being like for letter A, and the last number being for letter Z. Go ahead and put those in alphabetical order. All right, guys, hope this was helpful, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.